Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the Skoda Fabia front door handle. When you open the door, on the side there will be a little cover, this black plastic piece, and you'll need to remove this cover. And underneath, what locks the handle in place is a little clip, a little circular crescent over there, which with a tool you'll need to pull out partially. It's very hard to see that I've actually pulled it out, but you just need to pull it out and then you will kind of see with your eye that it's out of position. And then once it's pulled out, from the outside, whilst pulling onto the handle, wriggle this piece of the door handle out first. I would recommend using a plastic tool and then not a flathead mill screwdriver, as you can damage the paint or the door assembly, and just wriggle this piece out. Can get stuck sometimes, and you just will need to be patient and just keep going. As you can see, it's coming out, and then with the handle, put it back into closed position and then pull it back towards yourself first, or towards the rear of the vehicle, and then it will come out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.